Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Libras. We'll be picking few cards, guys, from each deck. So first, these are for your general energies, Libras, and we'll be picking cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck, guys, for your career situation and your relationship. So those cards will answer your situation, guys, whatever questions you have regarding your career, and this is for your relationship. And we'll be picking one card from the Angel Guidance deck, and we will open the cards as we proceed, guys, Libra. So for your general energies, it is Nine of Wands, Nine of Swords, Six of Pentacles, guys. So with these cards, Libras, I see here that you are anxious about something, some confusions or some anxieties, struggles, some mental struggles are there. Maybe you feel that you are the reason for some troubles, and you feel that guilt and sadness. So what is the cause? We do not know, but you are feeling troubles. You are troubled by the situation, guys. Something bad, maybe some struggles in your work, or some struggles in your personal life, and you are feeling sleepless. You do not know what to do, and that is what I see here. And maybe in your heart of hearts, you have the courage and strength to face whatever that may come. You have that attitude also. You are thinking within yourself that you can, you have the strength and courage, and when you are faced with that decision, whatever it is, you will be able to overcome that. But you are very anxious about something. It may be regarding your work situation or your relationship, guys. Something is troubling you. That is what I see here. And things may it is really making you resent whatever you did, maybe some mistakes, or this may be some bad situation in your work. So that is the reason for these struggles, guys. That is what I see here. And maybe right now you may be in a good position, but you are anticipating some bad news or some bad turn of events. So you feel that you cannot rely on the present situation, and you feel very anxious. That is what I see here. You are very cautious. You are concentrating on every choice that you are making. You are preparing yourself to face that situation eventually. So you are making certain plans, what you need to do, and what will be the future, maybe in your personal life, or it may be something to do with your work situation, something really stressful. That is also the energy here, guys. Let us see what is the card for your the oracle's guidance, guys, for your work situation. Higher power. So with this card, guys, the energy is that, Libras, each and every one of us, we have that spark of divinity in us. So we have that immortal soul in us. We are not just human beings. So when we are doing some things, maybe in our work situation or in our personal life, whatever it is, we may see certain signs, or we may feel certain things guiding us, inspirations or intuitions guiding us in our life. So when we have that guidance, when we see that guidance, or when we have some ideas coming through us all of the sudden out of the blue, when we are making some important decisions, we feel we get a certain thought pointing us towards some direction which we never thought of before. So something coming all of a sudden. So we should understand that all those are the intuitive nudges from the universe or God or higher power, whatever you call it. So when you get that guidance, you need to go for that choice. If you go in that direction, you will reach success, guys. That is what I see here. So for your career, maybe your intuition will guide you what you need to do today. So whatever is the guidance, you have to take that up with confidence and strength and determination to go that way. So when you are able to do that, you will be successful today, guys, and your troubles and all your troubles and stressful situations will be taken care of. You will surrender to that higher power when you have that trust on that intuition, whatever is guiding you, guys. That is what I see here. So what is the card for your relationship? New life. So for your relationship, guys, this card, the oracle's guidance is that maybe in your relationship you may be getting a new person or a new energy in your relationship. So maybe with this old person you may experience that sweetness or vibrancy, maybe some excitement and passion today. The reason is because of that whatever you feel in yourself, maybe some ideas, inspirations, whatever you have in yourself, guys. So that may be the reason for this happiness, or some inspirations, or you may even be getting some opportunities. Maybe your dreams, through your dreams you may be getting some intuitions or inspirations, and you will feel happy for it, or you may be seeing some signs before you that may push you towards that happiness today, guys. So even in this relationship with this person, maybe for some of you all, you may get a new person in your life, guys. But some of you all, if you are with your old person itself, you may enjoy that sweetness, that new kind of attraction you have towards that person, something inspiring you to go in for that deep bonding connection, that vibrancy in this relationship, guys, that excitement and passion. So this card just signifies that you are going into a deep bonding with this person, guys. So whenever we get this card, the energy is that you are going to get that positive loving partnership in your career and even in your life. That is the energy here, Libras. So time for you to give up these anxieties, guys, the stressful situations, whatever it is. I think the oracle's guidance is you will be able to overcome that if you listen to your intuition. So whatever you feel in your heart of hearts, that is the truth, guys. So your anxieties will be over when you are able to listen to that. That is what I feel here. Let us see what is the angel's guidance. Cooperate. So with this card, guys, the general guidance for you in your situation is you have to have that sense of community, guys. So all of us, we belong to our family, our friends, to this person, to our community. So when we have that sense of cooperation, it will what to say, help us to build that sense of belonging, guys. So we will belong to that group. So when we support the people in our group with our time, energy and whatever skills, and when we encourage others also to collaborate with us positively, great things can be achieved, guys, when we work together as a group. So that is the angels guidance for your Libra. So it is the time for teamwork. So whatever you feel you need other people's help, you can take it and you can build that teamwork today to make things work in a very positive way, guys. That is what I see here with these cards, and that is the reading for your Libras. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. Thanks again. Bye, Libras.